Hi everyone, my name is Parul. Welcome to my channel Parul English Lab. This is the second video of Modal Verb series, and in this video we will discuss may and might, how and when to use them. So let's not waste any more time and get into it. May and might. May and might are used to talk about possibilities in present and future. Let's understand this with some examples, but before that, let's look at the structure. Subject plus modal verb plus first form of the verb. We always use first form of the verb with modal verb. Okay, now first example is, she may be in a restaurant right now. Where is she? I want to meet her. She may be in a restaurant. So maybe or might be, because you're not sure about it, you're not certain about it, but you think there's a possibility. He might be tired. It's 10 o'clock. Why is he still sleeping? He might be tired, or he may be tired. So may and might, they more or less have same meaning and they can be used interchangeably. So it is up to you whichever you want to use. The difference is that may is more formal and it is used for a strong possibility, and might is used for a less or small possibility of something. Otherwise, they both have same meanings. You can use them whichever you want to use. Now next is, they may visit us next week. Now here we talked about the present possibility right now. Now this is future possibility. They may visit us next week. So it's not certain, but there is a possibility that they may visit us next week, or they might visit us next week. I may see you tomorrow. I might see you tomorrow. The company might hire more people next year, or the company may hire more people next year. The weather might be better tomorrow. He may be sleeping right now. Okay, so just look at these two sentences here. I have used maybe with the continuous form of the verb. So we can use it like this as well. When you think that an action is going on, when you are sure about it, that right now this action is going on, that time you will use present continuous tense. Okay, for example, where is he? He is sleeping right now. Okay, so you're sure about it. But if you are not certain about it, or if you're not sure about it, there is only a possibility of this action happening right now, that time you can use may or might with be and continuous form of the verb. He may be sleeping right now. He is not answering my phone. Where is he? I don't know, but he may be sleeping, or he might be sleeping. So he might be in the middle of a continuous action right now. Okay, now we can use it for future also. I might be traveling on Wednesday. Let's catch up on Wednesday. No, it's not possible because I might be traveling. So if you are sure about it that in future at some point of time an action will be going on, so you will use future continuous tense. Okay, that time I will be traveling, so I can't meet you. Okay, you are sure about it, it's certain. But when you are not sure about it and there's only a possibility of that action going on in future, that time you can use may or might. So I'm not sure, but I might be traveling on Wednesday. So let's catch up over the weekend or some other day. So this way you can use may and might with continuous form of the verb as well. Okay. Now we can make negative sentences also by just putting not. How? She may not be in a restaurant right now. He might not be tired. They may not visit us next week. I may not see you tomorrow. The company might not hire more people next year. So just keep one thing in mind, that not will always come between the modal verb and the main verb. So that's the only rule to make a negative sentence using may and might. Now let's talk about how to make an interrogative sentence using may and might. So general rule is that we swap the places of the verb which is there at the second position and the subject which is at the first position. This is the rule we follow. But here things are a bit different. Okay, if for example, if there's a sentence he can do it, so can takes the first position and subject takes the second position. Can she do that? He should leave now. Should he leave now? So this is the rule what we have been following till now. But here, let's make a sentence like this. She may be in a restaurant right now. May she be in a restaurant right now? So it sounds a bit awkward. It doesn't sound good to me. So what you can do in this case, you can use do you think, and then the sentence and a question mark at the end. Okay, so do you think she may be in a restaurant right now? Or do you think she may not be in a restaurant right now? So this way the question will sound good. He might be tired. Do you think he might be tired? Do you think he may be tired? Do you think he may not be tired? So just by putting do you think, you can frame a good question using may and might. Now here, look at this sentence. I may see you tomorrow. This you can change it into a question by applying that rule. May I see you tomorrow? You don't need to use do you think, because here you are talking about yourself. So here if you say do you think I may see you tomorrow, it sounds weird because you're talking about your plan. So you are the best person to know about your plan. Okay, so I may see you tomorrow, if you change it into an interrogative sentence, so it will become a permission. May I see you tomorrow? May we see you tomorrow? Now next sentence, the weather might be better tomorrow. Do you think the weather might be better tomorrow? So this way you can use may and might depending upon the sentence or a situation when you talk about possibilities in present and future. While making negative sentences with may and might, you can also use contracted form. Like may not is mayn't and might not is mightn't. Mayn't, might. Mayn't, might. They mayn't visit us next week. They might visit us next week. However, mayn't is not that common. So people generally use may not, and might you can use. So it is up to you whether you want to use them or not. Okay, so this way you can use may and might in positive, negative and interrogative sentences when you talk about possibilities in present and future. Now let's move on to the next situation where we can use may and might. May and might can also be used to talk about past possibilities, but the word order is different. Subject, then might or may have, because we are talking about past, so we will use have here, plus third form of the verb, okay, which is called past participle also. Now might is past form of may, so it's better that in this situation please use might have, not may have. However, that's also correct, grammatically correct, but it's better, it's more suitable that you use might have. Okay, now let's understand it with some examples. I might have dropped the keys in car. I can't find my car keys. I might have dropped them in car, but I'm not sure about it. It's not certain, but I think I might have. She might have forgotten to lock the door. Where is she going? She just reached office. Yeah, she's going back home because she might have forgotten to lock the door. When she was stepping out of the house, that time she was on the call and she might have forgotten to lock the door. Max might have eaten the ice cream. Last night there was ice cream in the fridge and now I can't find it anywhere. Yeah, Max was telling me that he wanted to have ice cream, so he might have eaten it. He might have eaten the ice cream. So there is a possibility of something in the past, but is no surety, it's not certain. So this way when you talk about past possibility, you can use might have. Now the contraction of might have and may have are, might have is might've, might've. May have may've, may've. Might've, may've. So this way you can use may and might when you talk about past possibility. We can use may when we ask or give a permission. Like, may I come in? Here you're asking for a permission, and here you are giving a permission. Yes, you may. May I sit? Yes, you may. May I ask you a question? No, you may not. Negative. May we sit here? No, you may not. May I leave early? Yes, you may. You can also frame a sentence when you give a permission. You may sit, you may go early, you may ask a question. So we generally use may, not might, when talking about the permission. Last, we use may when expressing wishes. Like, may you have a long and healthy life. May you both live happily ever after. May this special day give you countless memories. So this way, while expressing wishes, we use may, not might. I hope you all have understood where we use may and might. We have done can, could, may, might. If you have any doubts regarding the same, please mention in comment section, and keep practicing, keep watching my videos. Thank you, take care, bye-bye, have a great day. Thank you for watching my videos. If you find them helpful, please like and share with your friends. Feel free to leave comments. Do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive a notification for the new videos. Thank you, take care, and have a great day.